Hi, I'm Beverly Knight, and we're at a very exciting photo shoot for the Drifters Girl. Come in and have a look. Faye Treadwell was one of the very first African-American female managers in the music industry. What she did was so brave and so fearless and so unheard of at the time. My dad loved the Drifters, and he always used to sing Save the Last Dance for me. We've got 4 guys who are just brilliant actors. They bring those songs to life.
The roles I'm playing in the show is Clive McFadden, the creator of the Drifters.
I'm playing Johnny Moore, Nat King Cole,
Andrew Thrasher,
Paul McCartney,
Benny King, Charlie Thomas and Bobby Hendrix,
Sammy Davis Jr., Reese Forsyth,
Rudy Lewis.
And that's what I love about this project, is that as an actor, you're pushed to turn into these characters on a dime.
When audiences see the show, they will hear the crazy story of the Drifters themselves and the real heart and the real drama and the real passion that it took to keep that group going. That real message of just keep going for the people that you love, that will resonate and stay with them a very long time.